Yo, what's up, two beds? COBALTGRUV here. Just wanted to show you my homemade crab traps out of crates here. This video was inspired by another YouTuber. I'll put his name below. And yeah, just wanted to show you what these look like. Here's what it looks like inside. These traps are super simple and will catch crabs. That's how it works. Got two weights on each side right here to show how it drops. I'm gonna finish this one over here. Kind of a /DIY video. This kind of little tutorial basically. These ones here are two crates. I got the GoPro attached in here, so we're gonna catch our first victim on camera. And I'm gonna put some bait in the back here, so like a can of cat food all punched with a bunch of holes in it, and the crabs love that stuff. You can also tie like a piece of chicken or something, or yeah, they'll eat pretty much anything. So what you're gonna want to do is we're gonna put this crate together like this, and this one's gonna have its little door right here too, and it's gonna close up on them. Things you will need besides safety and a brain include parental units if you're under 18, a milk crate, actually two, so you can connect them together, a jigsaw, so you can cut your milk crate, a Leatherman with a knife on it so you can cut, pull, or do whatever. I used my Leatherman to actually carve out holes on my milk crate, a plastic coated rope and nylon rope, strong zip ties, red licorice because it rocks. Here are the holes that you can either drill out or carve out with your Leatherman, the blade on the bottom. This is where we'll be creating our hinge for the door. We'll use the strong zip ties to attach the door and cut off any excess zip tie with your dikes. This is to make sure that nothing gets snagged up on the bottom, or that just to make sure that the motion of the door works properly. And you're going to want to attach your nylon ropes to the door to be able to test out your hinge. After making sure that your door works properly, you are going to attach each side of the crates with the strong zip ties. Make sure to use enough to actually make a really strong connection between the both two milk crates, and then clean up all the excess. That, attach ropes to all four sides, or to the back side actually, and test it out. And you're going to want to tie your knots. Make sure it's all even, so both sides of the milk crate are lifting equally at the same time. And get rid of all excess extra rope. Weight. This weight will install in the back of the crate here. You can actually have a couple of them, so if you're dropping your pot somewhere where it's got a lot of current, you know, the tides are strong, this probably won't roll as easily. And you're going to want to attach a 2-ounce lead weight to the front door just to ensure that it drops when it hits the ground, when it hits the bottom of the ocean. Once you get it installed onto the door, make sure you trim off the excess and test it out. This should pretty much finish the tutorial, as all you'll need to do is add some bait to the back, wire it in there, and attach your plastic coated rope to your main leader lines of your crab trap, and throw it on over. Happy crabbing, people. Rock on, and best of luck. Please comment, subscribe, and rate.
Cobalt Groove.